Ini caretaker sawa. Wah, kinani nangde kinani dari mana bisa caretaker am. Oh, kasapai, mamung jawa.
Director General of Police ke Jala Meghalaya Dr. L.R. Bishnoi ulapentep bagi pulat ke West Garo Hills District kilakem batrano hadu nyu hulai ngut ki samla hakaba arsan ngut neki kide kynthei batlayo pelai ru san ngut ki habret na rimpu bagan kasuba ktem awria Tura kepada Jong Bernard and Marang MDC ke BGP na Tura Constituency Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC menha ka arwar tarik naitung arajar arwar haswa kani lingba ka kerwo kubor na ka office USP West Garo Hills UVS Ratur IPS laong baka kanhun pulen kalakem yu manager unong pai bat laingut kinong tre ka rimpu bagan ka jaka ka wala suba baka wei ka habret kalasa thombor hobrai rampang mentau snam ki pulet kilok kurup laipun riu tuli ki kali arpunyo tuli ki kali sausaka pratuli ki skuti bat ka wei ka autoriksha saupunyo tuli ki mobile phone bat silak ripu prahajar aspa ripu pra ml kakian ki kondom bat ka pisa laipo hajar tengka nalor ki wei pat kitiar ki pulit kila kedau bau Bernard and Marang udai baladon jiksa ujor hadu absantri ke mukodoma kamrunan adu senam arajar terter ubadairu cerman barim ka kenhun leno bala pendemwai ka Aceh National Volunteer Council B
caretaker am. Oh, kasapai, mamung jawa yana kaniya. Yani caretaker sawarang. Yani jaba. Huh?
The raid started at about 6 p.m. It continued for 7-8 hours and they have recovered some incriminating documents, register, etc. The Tura police has picked up 73 youth. Out of that, 26 are female and rest male. They have also rescued 5 number of children. The children were locked in a room and from outside the lock was broken and after that one after another 5 children were rescued and out of 5 one was female. And in subsequent search they have seized nearly 37 vehicles and 47 mobile phone, 30,000 rupees cash and 500 packets of condom and contraceptive tablets and few other incriminating documents. The search, when I last spoken with SP Tura, the search was still going on. The case has been registered already at Tura Women Police Stations under section 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 of the Immoral Trafficking Act 1956. The owner of that resort, Mr. Bernard R. Marak, he is not found available at his residence or in Shillong. We got the information that he was in Shillong. When the police went there, he was not found there. So now the last location was in somewhere near Guwahati, and after that the mobile phone is showing switched off. So the investigation is continuing now.
Sir, the accused is saying that this was pre-planned and Meghalaya police is being used by some high and mighty, sir.
No, nothing like it. Meghalaya police will go strictly as per law. And the recovery itself indicate that something fishy was there. He has no license to run that. And then why the liquors was also recovered? More than 400 bottle liquors were recovered. He has no license for that. And 500 condoms packets were recovered. This indicates that it was run as a brothel and the police will take action as per law. Warrant is not required because this was in continuation with the POXO Act, where one the girl has lodged complaint to Tura PS that she was taken to that place, that Rimpo's farmhouse or whatever they locally call it. It is Edenbury area in the outskirts of Tura, and there she was sexually assaulted. And after that, POXO Act case was registered at Tura Women Police Station. And during investigation and follow-up action of that case, it was later revealed that that place was used as a brothel. So that is why many 73 youth were detained there, and many of them were in compromising position. Bernard, whatever locations were there, the police already searched those locations. He was not found at that location, and mobile phone is now switched off. Further investigation, as and when any progress will be there, I will share with you.